Welcome back to One Fan's Opinion. I'm your host Phil, and today we're going to discuss Australian Grand Prix. So if you got a chance to watch the Austrian Grand Prix, you'll know what happened. If you didn't, let me give you a little insight. To start the race, Carlos Sainz could not get his car to go in gear for the formation lap until the group was almost back. So then he was able to get the vehicle moving, which caused everyone to have to park their car. So that delayed the race by 10 minutes because by the time he gets around, the cars would be overheating. So what did they do? They delayed the race. So all the teams, all the mechanics and everybody came out to cool the cars. So now, Carlos Sainz had to start from the pit. In sitting and waiting for the start of the race, his brakes caught on fire. That was the rest of his race. He sat it out. So to start the race, you had McLaren sitting in first position. Lando Norris, to be specific. First corner, McLaren 1 and 2. Then you had you had Charles Leclerc sitting in third. You had George Russell sitting in fourth. Hamilton sitting in fifth. Verstappen sitting in sixth. In my opinion, this was the best race of the season. Going into I think that was the third corner, you can see McLaren 1 and 2, Ferrari in 3, Hamilton battling for 4. So what happened was it looked like someone broke hard in front of Kimi Antonelli. He swings out to avoid, but doesn't hit the brakes. I guess he figured he could get ahead of a bunch of people, missing his braking zone, plowing into Max Verstappen. The two of them were out. Now the surprising part of that is that Max got out of his car and checked on Antonelli, made sure he was okay, patted him on the back, told him it was okay. Who is this guy? Maybe since he's had his first kid, Max Verstappen is starting to grow up. So the reason I say that this was the best race of the season was so many things happened, like I previously mentioned, right? And then, to make things even crazier, Ferrari was they were battling-ish to keep third and fourth place. Insane. They've stepped it up. Now, that's probably because Max was not there. McLaren, wow, did they fight. McLaren came in first, second. Ferrari came in third. Charles Leclerc. So you had Norris, Piastri, Leclerc. Hamilton was fourth. Anyhow, that's all the time I have for right now. Thank you for watching One Fan's Opinion, and we'll see you in the next one.